Did you know the Amazon rainforest is so massive, it actually creates its own weather? That blew my mind. Here, what else surprised me? First, 1 out of every 10 species on Earth calls the Amazon home. Talk about a wild neighborhood. Second, the forest produces 20% of the world's oxygen, so every fifth breath I take owes something to those trees. Third, there are tribes living there who have never made contact with the outside world. Fourth, pink river dolphins actually exist. They're real, not just a myth. And finally, some plants in the Amazon can literally walk. Their roots move slowly to find sunlight. Incredible, right? The Amazon is full of mind-blowing secrets I never expected.